Erwin
Schrödinger.
was a well off Austrian kid born in the year 1887. He had smart parents who taught him young until he was about 11 when he enrolled in school to prepare himself for university. He moved from many universities where he conducted science in many different fields, but the most important to this video is his work in advancing the atomic model. He is also famous for a certain thought experiment he did with a cat in a box in 1935, which you may or may not have heard of. If you haven't, it goes like this. A cat is placed in a box with a decaying atom that has a possibility of releasing enough radiation to activate a trigger that would release a hammer, breaking a glass bottle, and spilling poison which would kill the cat. Now, theoretically, if you were to leave the cat in there for an hour and come back, there is a chance that it would have died from the poison and a chance that it wouldn't. This would make it so that, to an outside view, the cat is both dead and alive. But of course, when you open the box, you can only have one or the other. This means that the universe has to pick an outcome. But how does it choose? We don't know for certain, but this paradox helped highlight flaws in the views of quantum mechanics back then. So, back to the topic. The leading model at the time was Bohr's atom, which tried to find the exact path of an electron as it was perceived like the solar system. Irwin, however, advanced this in 1926 by saying that electrons were more in a cloud or wave surrounding the nucleus. The denser the cloud, the better chances you would find an electron. His new atomic model was called
Schrödinger.
model and looked a bit like this. He died in 1961 from an illness, finally returning to his home in Austria after Nazi occupation.